Hey, what's up? I'm Shamiriel. Thank you for taking the time to click on this video and to stop by. We are gonna go get something done to this. Yeah? Does that sound good? Okay. Well, we're off. I'll see y'all in a little bit. I never know where to look on this thing. One day I'll get it right. Outfit of the day, in case you care. Gotta rep my alma mater and jeans because I haven't put jeans on in forever, and I want it to feel like I just wanted to put jeans on because it's been a while. Okay, I'll see y'all there. Right here, she says with conviction. Yeah, this'll do. Yeah, this is fine. Ooh, but it's dark. Hello. We have arrived. I was worried I was not gonna be on time, but I'm 5 minutes early. Why am I talking like this? All right. If this is your first time here, I don't think I introduced myself earlier. Hi. I'm Shamiriel. I have been growing my natural hair or growing out my relaxer since 2018. And now we are 100% natural. And I am not, hair is not my ministry. It's just not. So anyway, even though I've grown my hair out natural, I don't know how to do any of the cute natural styles that I see all the other girls do. And so basically, I would just get my natural hair pressed. I just became comfortable wearing my curls out recently, and all I do is put it in a ponytail. I don't know how to do anything else. So my hairdresser, who is amazing, she is going to do flat twists on my hair today, and I'm excited. And hopefully it'll look okay. I've just, again, anytime I wear my natural hair, I always put it up in a ponytail. At some point there will be pictures, maybe a little slideshow. So because of that, the way I'm envisioning having to wear my hair with these flat twists is going to be out and big.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Would you like to introduce yourself? Would you like for me to?
Hey girl, this is Hair Goddess University. I am Hair Goddess 27. We are about to hook up this natural hair right here, giving her an awesome twist set. She has amazing curls already, so we're just going to go ahead and enhance them and make sure that they last for a few weeks.
Yay, let's get it.
You just want to follow the curl pattern when you take it out. And as you can see, you see the separation. So just open it and just go the opposite way.
Okay.
You'll be able to feel all the motions and just pick it apart, you know, slowly. But if you just put oils on your hands, rub it on your hair, and keep your hands oiled as you take it out, you shouldn't have any issues.
Okay.
If anything gets frizzy, you just finger curl it like this.
Okay.
Do you want to see the back in the mirror?
Oh, yes, please.
So this is your part here. Your part here, so everything will fall this way. So this falls down this way to cover up all of this here.
Got you.
So that's pretty much it.
Okay. There we go. That's what I need. Okay.
Day 2.
Like I was telling you, when you put your bonnet on, just put it on like this, and then take the rest of it and push it up like that.
All right, we are home. Curls are out. Red lip is on. I just wanted to show you guys the end result. I think is really cute. I kind of feel like I could be in a Soul Glow commercial.
Let your soul, baby, feeling oh so silky smooth, and just let it.
If you're too young to get that reference, then you better Google it. But yeah, it's super cute. I love how curly it is, and I've been informed to just put my bonnet on normal. As the days go on, the hair will get bigger. That's what she was explaining in the last clip. So it'll be interesting to see how long this lasts. I'm gonna give it at least a week, and then we'll see what happens after the week. But this is the end result. Loving it, loving it. I'll be doing more of this in 2021, showing my natural curls. Yay! Okay. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And until my next video, I'll see you later. Bye.